Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So let's fix this issue together. First of all, right click on the start icon and click on settings. Once we are here, click on these three lines and go to apps section. Then on the side, just scroll down and click on startup, and make sure we need to turn off all these options. So turn off Microsoft Edge, Microsoft OneDrive, Cortana, and everything. And once done, just close this window. After that, go to search bar and type here registry editor. Then click here to open it. Select S, and then just go back to the main screen. I have done some changes on my window, so I need to go back. Okay, cool. Now expand the HK local machine, then expand system folder, then expand control set 001. Here it is. Expand this, then expand services folder, and then find out NDU folder. Just keep scrolling down, and here it is. Select it. On the right side, right click on start, select modify, and we need to change the value data as 4. Okay, now click on OK. Again, just go back to the main screen. Just go back to the main HK local machine folder. Again, expand HK local machine, then expand system folder. Now this time we need to expand the current control set. Now expand control folder, then session manager. Find out the session manager. So we'll get this here. Then expand this. Again, find out the memory management. Just select it, and on the right side, clear page file at shutdown. Simply right click on it, select modify, and change the value data as to 1. Once done, close these and close all windows one by one. Then simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here msconfig and hit enter. Once we are here, go to the services tab and check this option, and check all these and click on disable all. Once done, click on apply and then OK, and simply restart the system. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a good way to fix this issue and restart the system. Don't forget to like the video, and please do subscribe to the channel.